Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going into an essential tool for fire safety, the fire logbook. This logbook is your go-to resource for keeping your workplace safe from fire hazards. Let's break down what it includes and why it's so important. The fire logbook is a comprehensive record of all fire safety arrangements in your premises. It's a vital document that helps ensure everyone's safety. So what exactly does it contain? 1. Persons with specific responsibility for fire safety. This section lists the names and roles of individuals who are responsible for fire safety. These are the people you can turn to in case of an emergency or if you have any questions about fire safety protocols. Basic fire safety advice. Here you'll find essential tips and guidelines to prevent fires and what to do in case of a fire. This includes things like not blocking fire exits, and knowing how to use fire extinguishers. 3. Specific preventive and protective measures. This part details the measures identified in your risk assessment. It might include things like installing smoke detectors, maintaining fire doors, and ensuring clear escape routes. 4. Details of the premises. This section includes important information about your building, such as the location of assembly points, fire exits, and emergency routes. Knowing these details can save lives in an emergency. 5. Maintenance and inspection arrangements. Regular maintenance and inspections are crucial to ensure that all fire systems are working properly. This section outlines the schedule for these tasks. Maintenance work conducted. This part records all the maintenance work that has been done, such as service visits and non-routine attention. It helps you keep track of what has been done and when. 7. Location and description of all fire equipment. Knowing where your fire equipment is located and what it does is crucial. This section provides a detailed list of all the fire equipment in your premises. Routine tests. Regular testing of fire detection and alarm equipment, emergency lighting, and portable firefighting equipment is essential. This section records the results of these tests. 9. Faults and defects. If any faults or defects are found in your fire systems, they are recorded here. This helps you address issues promptly and ensure everything is in working order. 10. Significant findings of workplace inspections. This section documents the results of workplace inspections, focusing on areas like fire doors, escape routes, and emergency exits. It helps identify and address potential hazards. Significant findings of fire drills. Fire drills are a critical part of fire safety. This section records the outcomes of your drills, highlighting areas for improvement. 12. Staff undergoing fire awareness training. Training is key to ensuring everyone knows what to do in a fire. This section lists the staff who have completed fire awareness training. Any fire-related incidents. Finally, this section records any fire incidents that have occurred in or on the premises. It helps you learn from past events and improve your fire safety measures. So there you have it. The fire logbook is a comprehensive tool that helps you maintain a safe and secure environment. By keeping it up to date and following the guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of fire and ensure everyone's safety. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay